Gusling, it's snowing like crazy. Instead, nagmelt na ang snow yesterday. Now it's snowing again. Oh my goodness. Ayan siya guys. Love to share the beauty of the snow here in Alberta. Ayan. This is our spring-a-ding-ding. Our spring has sprung with snow. Right, Gusling? It's cold. Go to your house. Ayan, shout out to all my family and friends. Ang init sa Pilipinas. Dito, ang lamig na naman. Ayan. Ayan. Sa hindi pa nakakita ng snow, punta lang kayo dito sa Alberta. Good morning, Pilipinas nating mahal. Shout out to all of you. Nako, hindi ako nagdala ng jacket. Malamig-lamig dahil mahangin. Mahangin na ang weather dito sa Alberta. Ayan. Oh, snow na naman. Instead na to na yan kahapon dahil nag-plus 14 degrees. Now, it's snowing again. Ayan. Hi, Gusling. Go to your house. Poor thing. They were cold. And siya, look at the snow. It's blowing snow everywhere. Ayan. Look at the nights. It's snowing here in Alberta. Ayan, guys. Wow. Look at the snow. It's blowing snow everywhere. Hi, Margio. Sis Margio. Good morning, maing buntag. Lina. Shout out, Lina and Marjorie. Gusto ko lang ipakita yung snow dito. Unexpected na mag-snow. Nag-snow naman ulit. So, yan. Gusto ko i-live na live ang beauty ng snow. Ah, malamig. Live na live ang beauty ng snow sa Alberta, Canada. Good morning, Sis Marju and beautiful Lina, my beautiful friend. May buntag sa tanan sa inyo hadihang side. Oh, malamig. Ayan, instead na tonaw na yung snow kahapon. Shout out, Tapas Capis from Marjorie Lubu Bazamut. And shout out to Lina Antigon Bidoy, my beautiful friend and supporters. Love you guys. Good morning dirang side sa Pilipinas. Happy Thursday. Friday. Friday. Yan. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Love you all. Pasok na ako sa bahay dahil malamig na. Look at the snow. Oh, grabe. Ang ganda sa personal. Yung snow. Dalawa kong gansa doon nila lamig na. Thanks for watching, guys. Lamig sobra. Sobrang lamig talaga, Marjorie. Perteng tugnawa gayod. Dali-dali ko gawas kay mag-cover aning snow. Kuyawan ko, hala, nag-snow man. Live na live man kita pa minsan-minsan. I love you too, Lina. God bless. Ayan. So, yan lang muna. Till next time again. Wish you a beautiful day wherever you are. Keep warm. Keep safe always. Love you guys. Love you, Honey Pie. Miss you here. Ang aking Honey Pie. Oh, not much now. Ayan, pakunti-kunti na lang yung snow. Thanks for watching again. Love you guys. Love you, Lina and Marjorie. Bye for now. God bless.